After a very narrow escape on Friday, the NSE resumed trading activities for this week on yet another positive note. To a very great extent, investors are showing great interest and are still very much optimistic about the current market trend. And how do we know this? The volume of shares traded today actually surged by about 68 million units. This increase in volume also resulted in a spike in value from 4.8 billion naira in previous session to 8.547 billion naira in today's session. And today, key market indicators rose by 0.74%. That's to close at 29,633 basis points, while market cap of listed equities remained within the 15 trillion naira mark, increasing today by 113 billion naira to close at 15.287 trillion naira. Now to the drivers of today's positive trend, we see that MTN is well ahead of 16 gainers after its share price rose from 116 naira to 127 naira and 6 kobo today. UACN follows, closing at 11 naira and 5 kobo. That's 80 kobo gain, maintaining the spike from previous session. While we also have GlaxoSmithKline and UBA also rose by 35 and 30 kobo respectively. And on the flip side, we know that when they are gainers, they are also losers. The table of losers is led by Presco. Yes, Presco closing today by 52 naira and 25 kobo. And when we look at this chart, Presco, I should say, is extending losses from previous session, while the stock of BUA Cement PLC saw a reversal in the drop of prices from 41 naira in previous session to 39 naira today. That's 2 naira drop in its third day of trading on the NSE. It actually just listed on the NSE on Thursday. And moving on, we see that Seplat as well as Cadbury completed the table of losers. And moving on to the foreign scene now, let's see how trading activities were in foreign markets. It's all bullish. FTSE is up ahead of US-China trade deals. Same thing for Dow Jones and Nikkei as well, all experiencing bullish runs for today.